Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss a Python program to find the number of days between the given dates, which means given date 1 and date 2, I just need to find the number of days that exist between the two dates. For that we first need to import a module called date and time, which is in Python. So I am importing it by making use of from date time. I am importing the date. Then to find the difference between the two dates, we need two dates, right? So I'm just declaring a variable date 1. So date 1, I'm just using a built-in date method which takes three arguments. One is the first is the year, I'm giving 2022. Second is the month, I'm giving as 12. Third is the date, I'm giving 31. Similarly, I need to give date method. I'm just passing again the three arguments 2023, 1 and 1. So now I need to find the difference between the two dates. So I'm just trying to store it in a variable number of days. So it's equal to date 2 minus date 1. Date 2, when you are trying to subtract two dates, it will give you date as well as the time also. As our requirement is only finding out the number of days, I'm just giving DAYS, which will give you the number of days itself, the numerical number. So I'm just trying to print. So the difference or the number of days between date 1 and date 2 is num days. So I'm just running it. So as if you could observe, input is 31st December 2022 date 1, date 2 is 1st January 2023. The difference between the two dates is going to be 1. Let us run and check the output. So if you could observe, the number of days between 2022 12/31 and 2023 1st January is 1. Thank you.